A very hype product from DJI Flip. Let's talk about it. Let's start with a simple unboxing. I got the standard package and here's what it includes. The DJI Flip drone, a remote controller, extra propeller, a screwdriver to replace the propeller, a USB-C cable and documentation. If you're new to drones, I highly recommend you to buy Fly More combo package. It includes 2 additional batteries which will give you extended flight time. Trust me, no matter how many batteries you have, there are never enough when it comes to drones. In a previous unboxing video of mine, some viewers commented on the design. A few said that it resembles a bicycle wheels or even a wheelchair. But after testing, I think this design is quite clever. While it's not perfect and has some flaws, it's a smarter way to incorporate a larger propeller with propeller guards into a compact frame. It might look fragile, but trust me, it's not. Previously, we have seen due to smaller propeller design, DJI Neo wasn't stable at all. DJI Neo wasn't stable even in gentle wind. The bigger propeller made the difference. DJI Flip is very stable compared to the DJI Neo drone. You'll get similar performance like DJI Mini 4K in terms of wind resistance. The coolest feature, just flip open the propellers and the drone powers on immediately. You can see it has turned on. Now you are instantly ready to fly your drone. It will save huge time. I usually carry a camera bag when I go for outdoor shooting and DJI Flip fits perfectly inside. It takes up minimal space, making it super convenient for travel. There's a button next to that USB-C port that's let you change the modes. The drone can even fly autonomously without remote controller. By setting it to follow mode, you can place the drone in front of you and it will start following automatically. You can adjust the distance and other settings using your smartphone. While smartphone controls work well, you will unlock the drone's full potential with the proper remote controller. It supports DJI N3 remote controller, but I prefer DJI RC2 remote controller, which doesn't require a smartphone for previewing the drone footage. The DJI Flip features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that is capable to record highest 4K 60fps HDR video. If you're recording slow motion, you can even record in faster FPS. This drone supports highest 4K 100fps slow motion video. You can record video in H.264 or H.265 codec. And for the best result, I recommend using D-Log M picture profile, which offer 10-bit color depth and excellent dynamic range. However, when recording in D-Log M, you're limited to record the video in H.265 codec. It also captures 48 megapixel photos in JPEG and RAW format, producing high quality images comparable to DJI Mini 3 Pro or DJI Mini 4 Pro. Also, you can capture wide panorama photos and 360 photos using DJI Flip. DJI claimed that DJI Flip will have 31 minutes of flight time, but in my experience, I have gotten 23 to 25 minutes of flight time on an average. Active track works well, and beside that you will also get spotlight, hyperlapse, master shots and other quick shots mode. DJI Flip supports autofocusing and the minimum focusing distance is pretty impressive. In terms of specs, the DJI Flip stands tall against the DJI Neo and DJI Mini 4K, producing videos and photos on powering with Mini 4. However, to make the drone more affordable, DJI had to make few compromises. This drone doesn't have any sensor in the left side, right side or in the back, but it has sensor in the bottom side and you will get a LiDAR sensor in front of this drone. While it is excellent at avoiding obstacle in front, it will crash if you fly the drone sideways without any care. I had a minor crash into a tree, but the drone recovered and kept shooting. We have seen internal storage on many DJI products and I have expected I'll get 64 GB at least internal storage here on this DJI Flip drone, but unfortunately this drone has only 2 GB of internal memory, which is quite limited. Thankfully you can use micro SD card. I'm using 256 GB micro SD card for extended period of recording. If you look carefully, you will notice one thing, that is the back propeller doesn't have any feet. It's make it very tricky to land on uneven surface. Even palm landing can be very tricky. Also, when you are receiving the drone, if you want to just land the drone on the surface, it will very tricky. So I usually land the drone on my palm, and when you catch the drone, be careful because the space between the propellers are very limited, so you have to catch the drone very carefully. I'll suggest you don't catch the drone, just place your palm and then it will land just like that. DJI Flip. This drone is primarily aimed at content creators and solo travelers. Weighing just 248.7 grams, it's travel friendly and can be carried across the borders without any issues. When DJI Neo launched, I really loved that drone, but I was disappointed about the video quality of DJI Neo. The DJI Flip has resolved all those issues. It's a balanced drone designed for content creators, solo travelers, and some of you who want to capture some family gatherings, or if you just want to purchase your first drone, this can be a great choice. This drone offers great video quality, 10-bit D-Log aim, and seamless flying experience. Of course, there are some downside like the lack of side sensor and the limited internal storage, and also the landing problem. But aside that, DJI Flip is a fun and versatile drone. I really like that drone and I'll share an updated review after using it for a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. If you want to see more of these reviews, you can just subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.